Welcome to the documentary channel. We will talk today about the Pacific, the world's largest ocean of extremes. The Pacific Ocean covers more of our planet than all the land masses combined. It is the birthplace of hurricanes, the home of the deepest trenches, and the keeper of mysteries we have yet to solve. From its tranquil atolls to its ferocious storms, the Pacific Ocean is a study in extremes, a vast, powerful, and fragile ecosystem that dictates the rhythm of our world. And this is its story. To understand the Pacific, we must first grasp its sheer, unimaginable scale. At 165 million square kilometers, it is the largest geographic feature on Earth. It is so vast that you can fit every continent inside it and still have room to spare. It is the home to the deepest point on our planet, the Challenger Deep in the Mariana Trench, plunging nearly 11,000 meters, a depth where the pressure is 1,000 times that of the surface. And it is geologically the oldest ocean, surrounded by the Ring of Fire, a horseshoe-shaped belt of volcanic activity and earthquakes that outlines the boundaries of tectonic plates. Here, the ocean floor is constantly being born and destroyed. This immense scale creates an incredible diversity of life, from the sun-drenched surface to the perpetual midnight of the abyss. In its warm, shallow waters, we find the most biodiverse marine ecosystems on Earth, coral reefs. Though they cover less than 1% of the ocean floor, they support nearly 25% of all marine species. The open water, or the pelagic zone, is the domain of giants. The Pacific is the highway for great migrations. Humpback whales traveling thousands of kilometers, great white sharks patrolling, and albatrosses soaring over the waves. And in the crushing darkness of the deep, life exists in forms that seem alien. Bioluminescent creatures create their own light in a world without sun, surviving on a slow rain of organic debris from above. Let us now talk about the human connection, exploration, culture, and commerce. For millennia, humans have lived in a complex relationship with the Pacific, drawn to its abundance and challenged by its power. The first masters of the Pacific were the Polynesian voyagers. Using incredible navigational skills, such as reading stars, ocean swells, and bird flight, they discovered and settled thousands of islands across this vast expanse, one of the greatest feats of human exploration in history. European exploration, led by Ferdinand Magellan, who gave the ocean its name Pacific, opened new trade routes, but also began an era of exploitation. Today, the Pacific is the backbone of the global economy. Its shipping lanes are the busiest in the world, connecting Asia and the Americas. Its fisheries feed billions, but this comes at a cost. However, the Pacific is in peril, facing many environmental challenges. The very vastness that defines the Pacific has led to a misconception that it is too big to fail. But the evidence of its fragility is everywhere. Ocean currents have concentrated millions of tons of plastic into a swirling vortex known as the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, a symbol of our plastic pollution crisis. Overfishing is pushing many species, like bluefin tuna, to the brink of collapse. The ocean's abundance is not infinite. Yet, there is hope. The story of the Pacific is still being written, and a new chapter of conservation is beginning. Nations are creating massive marine protected areas to create sanctuaries for life. Technology is helping to combat illegal fishing. Local communities and international scientists are working together to restore ecosystems and find sustainable solutions. The Pacific has an immense capacity to heal if we give it the chance. It is a testament to the beauty, power, and complexity of our planet. It is a frontier that inspires exploration, a resource that demands respect, and a shared treasure that we are all responsible for protecting. Its future, like its waves, is in motion, and its fate is inextricably linked to our own. The ocean is not only a resource, but it is our life support system. So please, support marine conservation and reduce your plastic footprint. Thanks for watching.